So what I want to start including into my videos are this is a goofy. Anyways, I don't know how much of it you can see on camera. Hey guys, I'm Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. If this is not your first time here and you've been to my channel before and you see my previous videos or see my future videos and you landed on this video, well, hello and welcome back. Ooh, did not like that intro. Let's do it again. Hey guys, my name is Pachia and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello. If this is not your first time here and you've been to my channel before and you see my previous videos or my future videos and landed on this video, well, hello and welcome back. Still did not like that intro, but I'm going to roll with it because today's going to be a very raw, no script type video. After my hello intro, I always tell you guys what this channel is about, and then we kind of move on with today's topic. But like I said, this is going to be a no script raw video. Well, I did have another video planned for today. I wasn't really, but I will post that video. Well, not, I will film that idea. I'm just not quite there yet because I wanted to have just a conversation with you guys, letting you guys know what's going on with me and my YouTube channel and the changes that you guys can expect. What's going on with me personally? Nothing. I'm pretty boring. But my YouTube channel, well, I've posted about 15 videos on YouTube. I really haven't niched down, and I'm thinking that is about to change. Now, I have seen and watched a lot of videos about niching down, the importance of having a niche, why you should niche, this should be your niche. And I never had one, and I never wanted not having a niche stop me from posting videos. Like, I was like, you know, if this is how I'm feeling, if this is what I feel like I need to say and I feel good about it, then I'm going to make a video. But I've understand the importance of a niche. Like, I've always understood the importance of a niche. I just didn't know my niche. And the importance of a niche is that you want your subscribers and viewers to know exactly why or the content you're going to have on your channel. Oops, excuse me. Ooh. And that's important because when you go to someone's YouTube channel, you want to know what to expect. And for a while, what I wanted you guys to gain from my video is to be inspired, to be entertained, or to be motivated. And maybe that was just reaching too much. Maybe I was asking too much of myself and then too much of you guys, right? Like, maybe I should have just focused on just inspiring or just motivating or just entertaining. But I don't like the idea of limiting myself. I feel like I want to talk about everything, you know, but not everything. Like, obviously, I'm not going to do any like cooking videos or baking videos or DIYs or reviews, which I'll talk about more about reviews later in this video if I remember to, because those things I'm interested in, but I don't really have any real passion for. But I do like watching those types of videos on YouTube. Like, I love Do It on a Dime. I love Natasha's Kitchen and Laura in the Kitchen. And then I also love, who is it that I really like watching? I just thought of her name and I can't remember. And then of course I've mentioned, well, let's skip that. And of course I mentioned like my go-to YouTube video channels are like Think Media and Catherine Manny. Those go-tos. For new YouTubers, senior YouTubers, I think they're so great. And I was thinking like, okay, well, maybe the industry that I'm in, I should say, is lifestyle. but not necessarily like personal lifestyle, because I don't really, I don't know, I feel like a vlog would be like you entering my personal life, but I'm pretty personal here. Like, I'm pretty transparent. I've shared stories of like my past, and I've talked a little bit about my husband, but I've never really gotten like personal. At least I don't think I have. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I've gotten too personal, or I'm not gotten personal enough, or I'm like at a happy medium. Anyways, so, but now, like, oh, before I move on to what I'm gonna say next, so when I was watching like, you know, how to grow your channel and how to gain more views, how to gain more subscribers, they had said something. What did they say to me? I was gonna say something. You know what? This is why you have a script. Because when you do not have a script and you really don't have a point to your video, you don't really know what to say. And I am going to keep all of this. I'm not going to edit any of this out, because I want, like I said, I wanted this to be very raw. I don't remember what I was going to say. I have such a brain fart. Anyways, so now that we've kind of just talked about whatever I just talked about, what can you expect from my channel from this point on? Well, one thing that will not change is me uploading once a week. That is the plan that I have for June. You know, I only want to have 30-day goals. I'm not going to have a 6-month goal, 1 year, because goals can change over time. So for the next, well, for all of June, I will continue to upload once a week. I've been consistently uploading on Saturdays. I do Saturday because I film throughout, like I film like Tuesday or Wednesday, and it'll give me a couple days to edit. By the way, my filming setup, I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, and I know this is kind of random me telling you guys this, but if I have any newbie YouTubers watching this, I want you guys to know that all of my equipment are secondhand. I've got them from Facebook Market. Facebook Market is one of my favorite places to shop because you can find decent stuff. Like, I've got my umbrellas from Facebook Market, and my camera is a Canon EOS Rebel T6i. I know this is an older camera, but I got it for like, I think like $300. I don't know. It may, no. Yes. For like $300. No. Yes. I don't, it was not very expensive. I know it wasn't the cost of a brand new one, but it works. Like, the screen works, and then the basic functions work. And the reason why I chose this camera is obviously for the flip out screen. But the things I did buy brand new is a ring light, which I don't always use. Like, I'm using it now because I feel like it does make a difference. Excuse me, it does make things brighter. And then I've also just recently bought a Mac Trem MACTREM tripod, which I am so loving. It's a lot sturdier than the one I had before, and the one I was using before was an Amazon Basic. Seriously, that's what it said on like the side of the tripod, Amazon Basic. So, I mean, any YouTubers out there with a tight budget, then look on Facebook Market. You know, they've got cameras, they've got ring lights, they've got umbrellas, any kind of photo equipment. You know, some even have backdrops. I actually just purchased a paper backdrop, which I'm not going to be using for this channel, which reminds me, I need to tell you guys about my other channel in a little bit, because I wanted to have a different vibe. And I've noticed that, like, backgrounds and sceneries, that all matters when you have a channel, because of the vibe that you want to throw. Like, the vibe I want to have here is very homey, is very inviting, and very like welcome into like this, you know what I'm saying? But I will, like I think I said, I don't know if it's my last video or my video before that, I will be changing the backdrop just because I'm getting tired of the gray. Anyways, we were talking about niche. Oh, my niche. So what I want to start including into my videos are the universal laws, like law of attraction, law of creating, and law. Why did I say law? Like law of attraction, law of creating, and law of allowing. That's something that I'm very interested in, that I'm passionate about. Like, I enjoy learning about these universal laws, because when I had learned about the law of attraction a couple years ago, which I'll have a video about that, it changed my life. So from this point forward, you can expect more videos on universal laws and still exploring, you know, the human emotions. I feel like those two, like I said, I feel like those two do go hand in hand. But yeah, this video is about 14 minutes long. I don't know how much I'll be cutting it down. I may keep every single thing up just because, like I said, I wanted this to be very raw and very like, hey, you know, this is what goes on, and this isn't going to be a pretty little package like I normally try to have my videos. Oh, before I forget, so the reason why I bought the a new backdrop, and a new backdrop, which is a paper backdrop, so I can't really hang it on to how I hang it on here, is because I'm starting a starting a review channel. I don't know how often I'm going to be uploading. I don't know what I'm going to be reviewing exactly, but I will tell you I won't be reviewing like, well, I do know I will not be reviewing any like tech gear because I'm not a techie person. So yeah, I won't have any of that stuff on there. But if you guys like reviews or looking at reviews or watching reviews, then definitely check that channel out. I'm gonna have some content up real soon. I actually have a couple ideas of the things I want to review. It should be a lot of fun, and the reason why I created a separate channel for my reviews is because the vibe for this channel excuse me, I'm coughing a lot right now. Let me get some water. I think I said it before, like I'm terrible at drinking water. Anyways, it's because the vibe of this channel is different from the vibe of the review channel. You know, I want my review channel to be fun and light and no pressure, yet informative. If and when I do decide to do vlogs, then I will be including it into this channel. Anyways, oh, and before I forget too, the reason why I have so many lights set up is because I actually film at night. So for all of you new YouTubers who don't necessarily can't afford or don't have the funds for any light equipment, then just use the natural sunlight. I mean, if it was up to me, if I was able to really film during the day, I would love to film during the day. I feel like that you can't beat natural light, but for my own reasons, I film at night. So anyways, this video is now 17 minutes long, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys for watching this video and kind of for hanging out with me today. If you guys are feeling me, you know, and want to see more, especially if you guys want to see more videos or future videos on law of attraction and exploring the human emotions, then go ahead and click that subscribe button, baby. And if not, I didn't like that. Why did I say that? It just naturally comes out of me. Like, that's just how I talk, and I need to stop that. So let's just kind of do it all over again. If you guys, thank you guys for watching this video and for hanging out with me today. If you guys are feeling me and you want to see videos on LOAs and, you know, exploring the human emotions, then I just can't say it. I'm gonna keep all of this in here because I want you guys to see how, like, this is just how it is when you're filming. One more time, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and for watching this video. If you guys are feeling me and you guys want to see video contents, I don't know, how do you want to say this? Let me think. Just gonna keep it simple. If you guys, let's start from the beginning because, you know, you just can't start something mid-sentence. Thank you guys for watching this video and for hanging out with me. Seriously, if you guys have made it to this point of watching the video, more power to you. Okay, going back. thank you guys for hanging out with me today and for really hanging out. Why am I saying that? Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and for watching this video. If you guys are feeling me and you want to see future content on law of attraction and exploring the human emotions, then go ahead and click the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. So till then, you all have a beautiful day and a beautiful week. Seriously guys, you guys are the champ for hanging out with me during this raw video. I am going to be, today is, when I say I film my night, I say I film my night. It is, let me, 1:20 on June 11th. Okay, so this is like 1:20 a.m. and I'm going to take all this, upload it to my laptop and have it posted excuse me, on Saturday, and we're just gonna go from there. And I will, like I said, I'll see you in my next video. So till then, have a beautiful day, have a beautiful week. You know, after I do my video is when I do, after I post my video, after I film, that's when I post, that's when I do pictures for my thumbnails. So let's have some fun doing that. And you know, before you guys, I didn't even like posting thumbnails. Like I didn't like taking pictures for thumbnails because I don't like, because I don't like posting, I don't like posting selfies. And I was like, man, thumbnails kind of like a selfie. But you gotta do what you gotta do when it comes to your business. You know, you don't always get to do things you like. You gotta do things you don't like, and that's okay, because if you want a successful business, you gotta do the hard stuff, like taking pictures for thumbnails.